Welcome to Fireproof Cooking. Today we are going to see how to make pulses biryani or Thatta Payaru Biryani or red cow peas biryani. Let's look into the ingredients. We need Thatta Payaru or the red cow peas, cloves, cinnamon, small onions, rice, mint leaves, grated coconut. We also need fennel seeds, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, ghee, oil, chili powder and turmeric powder. Let's look into the making of this recipe. For that, take a pressure cooker and pour some oil. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now add cinnamon and cloves and fennel seeds. Let's add chopped small onions. You can also use chopped big onions, but small onions enhances the taste. Add green chilies as well. Then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry them well till the raw smell goes. Let's add curry leaves and then chopped tomatoes. Mix them well and fry them till the tomatoes turn mushy. Now add turmeric powder and chili powder and saute them. We have already soaked Thatta Payaru or red cow peas for 2 hours and then we have used it here. So add them and fry them together. Now let's take the soaked rice. I've taken the regular raw rice that we eat daily. I've taken 1 tumbler and soaked it for half an hour. For 1 tumbler, I have taken 2.5 tumblers of water. Once the water started boiling, I have drained the excess water from the soaked rice and added salt and chopped mint leaves. Give it a mix. Over the pressure cooker and leave it for few whistles. Yes, the pulses biryani or the Thatta Payaru biryani is ready. Mix them well and garnish with coriander leaves. Serve it hot, and potato fry is the best side dish for this biryani.